When you search for micronized creatine supplements, everything looks pretty much the same. Same claims, same packaging. But to really understand what actually delivers results and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Micronized Creatine Monohydrate Micronized Powder 500G. Micronized Creatine Monohydrate Micronized Powder is a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts. Priced at $21.50, it caught my attention with its impressive 5,000 milligrams dose per serving. If you're after strength and endurance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 100 servings per container, it gives you plenty of bang for your buck. The micronized form ensures better absorption, meaning you can actually feel the benefits faster. The 4.7-star rating from over 58,700 reviews tells you that this is a trusted name in the market. It's designed for those who want to boost their workout performance without any fillers or additives. Now, some people complained about the packaging being a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as the product itself is effective, a minor issue with the container isn't a deal breaker. Just be careful when opening it. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, effective creatine supplement that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for flavored options or something fancy. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if you're looking for a larger quantity, the next one offers even more servings at a great price. Product number 2, Micronized Creatine Monohydrate Micronized Powder 1 kilogram. Next up is the Micronized Creatine Monohydrate Micronized Powder in a hefty 1 kilogram package. At $41.95, it's a bit pricier, but you get 200 servings, which could be a game changer for serious trainers. If you want to fuel your workouts without running out too quickly, this is definitely worth considering. What sets this apart is the pure creatine monohydrate without any additives. This means you're getting the quality you need to enhance your strength and endurance. With a 4.7-star rating and over 58,700 reviews, it's evident that a lot of users swear by it. The fact that it's made in a GMP-compliant facility adds to your peace of mind regarding safety and efficacy. Some reviews did point out that it doesn't mix as easily as some other powders. But here's the thing, if you use a shaker bottle or a blender, you should be fine. A little extra effort for quality is often worth it. This is perfect for dedicated athletes who want a no-nonsense, effective creatine supplement. Skip this if you're just starting out or prefer flavored options. Given the high number of servings, it offers good value for serious trainers. Alright, that was solid. But if you're looking for something that fits into any diet, the next product might just catch your eye. Product number 3, bulksupplements.com Creatine Monohydrate Powder, 1 kilogram. Coming in at number 3 is the bulksupplements.com Creatine Monohydrate Powder. Priced at $27.97 for 1 kilogram. It's a great option if you want a pure, unflavored product. If you're looking to boost your potential without any unnecessary extras, this one deserves your attention. Each serving provides 5 grams of pure creatine, designed to support your strength and performance goals. The fact that it's gluten-free and made in a CGMP-compliant facility ensures quality. The 4.6-star rating from over 31,100 reviews also speaks volumes about its effectiveness. This creatine is versatile, fitting into various diets and workout regimens. However, some users noted the packaging could be better, claiming it's difficult to reseal. But honestly, if you store in a proper container, this shouldn't be an issue at all. This is perfect for anyone who wants a straightforward, high-quality creatine supplement that can easily mix into your routine. Skip this one if you're after a flavored option. For the price and quality, it's a solid choice. Next, if you want something a bit smaller but still effective, the next product has a unique flavor that might interest you. Product number 4, bulksupplements.com Creatine Monohydrate Powder, 500G. Next on the list is the bulksupplements.com Creatine Monohydrate Powder in a 500G size, priced at $20.97. This option is perfect for those who want to try micronized creatine without a huge commitment. If you just started your fitness journey, this is a great place to begin. This product delivers 5 grams of creatine monohydrate per serving, which is ideal for both pre and post-workout support. It's designed to help maintain energy, strength, and endurance, so you can make the most out of your workouts. With a 4.6-star rating from over 21,700 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its effectiveness. Plus, it's made in a facility that adheres to CGMP standards, which is crucial for quality assurance. Some users have pointed out the taste, or lack thereof, since it's unflavored. For some, that's a downside, but for many, it's a bonus as it allows easy mixing with other supplements or shakes. This is perfect for beginners looking to enhance their workouts without breaking the bank. Skip this if you prefer flavored creatine or higher quantities. It's a solid value for smaller size. And finally, if you want a fun twist on your creatine, the next option brings some flavor to the table. Product number 5, Micronized Creatine Monohydrate Powder, Shaq's Berry Blast, 500 gram. Last but not least is the Micronized Creatine Monohydrate Powder in a unique Shaq's Berry Blast flavor, priced at $23.95. If you're tired of plain creatine and want something that tastes good, this one's definitely worth checking out. With 500 grams and 74 servings per container, you get 5 grams of creatine per serving. This flavor makes it easier to incorporate into your routine, especially if you struggle with plain powders. The 4.5-star rating from 275 reviews highlights that users are enjoying the taste as much as the performance benefits. Plus, it's vegan, gluten-free, and made in a GMP-certified facility, which is a nice touch for those with dietary restrictions. Some reviews mentioned that the flavor might be a bit too sweet for some tastes. But honestly, if you enjoy a bit of sweetness in your supplements, it's a pleasant change from the usual. This is perfect for those looking for an enjoyable way to take creatine, especially if you dislike the unflavored options. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional supplement experience. Given its unique flavor, it offers a great value for those wanting something different. So to wrap it up, we've looked at Nutricost's options, which offer great value, bulksupplements.com with their pure, versatile creatine, and a fun flavored option from Nutricost. Depending on your needs, whether it's quantity, flavor, or just plain effectiveness, there's definitely something here for everyone. Choose what fits your routine best, and you're on your way to reaching your fitness goals.